This then is my rather splendid looking Sonicmodell Skyhunter racing kit that I assembled recently, and I'd rather like to keep it looking splendid. Therefore I'm not going to Maiden it myself. I've learned from bitter experience that it is better to get an experienced pilot to maiden your craft until you've acquired a sufficient level of proficiency, which I have not. My friend Steve at the local club kindly accepted the challenge of the maiden flight for this beast. Let's see how we got on.
I need a bit of trim. Okay. Hang on, I've got it now. I've found the trim switch. When I know where the trim switch is, his is far further apart than mine. That's where we need to set it. That's its centre.
Okay.
Right, that's hands off into the wind. That's about as good as you'll get with that grease. We'll have to give it a little bit of up, and we'll have to give it a bit of right because it was rolling to the left. Yeah, we're going full throttle.
You do a turn with it, it's brilliant on the turn. Full throttle. They are nice.
That's it low rates as well that he's got on. Yeah. I would leave it at that. And here we go, quick.
Bloody hell, that was almost a... You could have caught that one, couldn't you?
Many thanks to Steve then for a successful maiden flight and all his helpful advice on trimming the plane so that I'll be able to fly it myself on the next outing. But then the real work will start to put in the iNav flight controller. Stay watching.